Well, when we moved in, it was a very open backyard. There was a deck, but the deck went down to just open ground.
It was very plain. There wasn't anything here. There was just double doors out of the basement, and you just landed on grass or mud.
We were thinking, how can we make this as nice as it can be to give us the sort of pleasure we want for the next 20 years?
So that's when we decided to really go for it and get the backyard perfect.
You know, Gasper was the first place that we reached out to. We had the idea of deck, patio, fire pit. You know, those were the kinds of things we were looking for.
We can somehow figure out how to put a patio on a hill, 3-4 levels of different hardscape areas. But with all the 3D imaging, it made it much easier for me to actually say, oh, this is really going to work out. You have the dining area, was easily accessible from the house. But then also when you get off the deck, you have the nice lounge area. From that patio, then we can go down a few steps to the fire pit, which is very relaxing, very laid back, a bit more in the back corner of our property. It's a very nice space. Working with a proper landscape design company like Gasper gave me options that I didn't know I had.
Being open-minded and working with people, sometimes more is possible than you might imagine.
Working with Gasper was very easy. This is perfect now, so we have everything we need for our outdoors.